What's up, Etsy sellers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy, Shopify, and personal success. In this video, I want to talk about the possibilities that you have for your Etsy shop and your Shopify, whatever you are selling on. Mainly Etsy and Shopify is what we're going to talk about, as well as some SEO with Marmalade. So if you are in any niche right now, I guarantee that there is something in Printify or whatever print-on-demand thing that you use, there is something that your audience will buy. So I want to show you a process that I went through just a couple hours ago to find a new product, put an existing design that I already had on it. If you don't do print-on-demand yet, you can create some designs yourself, etc. So we'll skip that part. So I want to show you the process that I went through to find a hot item that has really great metrics in Marmalade and how to go about choosing the SEO. So the item that I'm going for is bullet journal, diary, travel journal, all of that stuff, because stationery is huge, journaling is huge, and there's tons of different types of journaling out there. For example, there's prayer journals, there's manifestation journals, there's there's a lot of types of journaling that you can do. You get the point. So what did I do? I took existing designs that I have and I put them on some notebooks, right? So here is a ruled line spiral notebook. It's the size of A5 if you stationary people are paying attention. This is A5 and I can literally put any design that I want on it. So I go here and I already had a ton of designs, okay? These are all my designs. You can't take them, you don't copy them, blah, 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 etc. I will find you. Anyway, here's this. You pop that on there. This is a design that I was already selling on t-shirts and stuff like that. I already knew that this was a winning product. So by taking this winning product and putting it on something else and finding a different audience through Marmalade, I'm able to do this. So, this is the exact, this is the product right here. Boom, now I have a notebook. Here's my notebook right here. Here's my bullet journal. I just made a bullet journal. And now I'm going to give all you stationary people a run for your money, and I don't even have to make a single thing. That's the beauty of print on demand. Printify specifically, and Marmalade. Those are my two favorites. Use Marmalade and Printify in the exact same way that I am doing, and it will be more streamlined for you. I don't prefer Printful. I really, really don't. It's just icky to me. It's so complicated. It's a premium service, and they're great, but it's just icky to me. All the extra taxes and all the crap they add on to it. I am not a fan of Printful, and you can disagree if you want to. Anyway, so how did I find it? I typed in journal into Marmalade. Okay, that's a huge one, but that's way too broad. How are you going to find somebody for just journal? That's way too broad. And so is bullet journal, honestly. So I'm going to go down into the cloud at the bottom of Marmalade and find a new keyword, and then a new keyword, and then a new keyword. And so, okay, boom, it's huge. We all knew that. Come on. And we're going to find some more stuff. There's different types of journals. There's junk journals, bullet journals. What else? Gratitude journal. Tarot journal. Hey, there's a new one. I did not know about that. Okay, I didn't know about pregnancy journal. I didn't know about tarot journal. So that's really cool. Anyway, so here's a bunch of new ones. Bullet journal is what we went with last time. So I'm going to go over to comparison because I like that way better. So I took some other ones that are within my niche. I'm within the nature niche. So I just went over here and I started adding stuff together, like adventure journal. And then, of course, we know about bullet journal. Bullet journal's huge. Just because it's all green doesn't mean that you're going to sell a ton of products, remember. But this is how you're going to find the ones that are going to sell for you. The whole concept is first find the audience, then find the product. And you can do that with the combination of Marmalade and Printify. The links will be in the description below. Yes, they are affiliate links. I get a tiny, tiny, tiny little commission if you click on them and you do stuff with it. So I really appreciate it if you do. This is what I use, so that's why I'm recommending it. It's not like I don't use it and I'm just like facelessly recommending it. So adventure journal, road trip journal, not so hot. I'm going to stay away from that one. And this is how you could literally start a brand new Etsy shop within your Etsy shop. So whatever niche you are in right now, go and start a Printify with my link, please. Look through here. Okay, let's say you're in I used baby clothes as an example last time, and then baby clothes actually did show up. But so let's say you're like, what a lot of different niches could buy leggings. There's like, you could sell it to bridesmaids. You could make it a bridesmaids theme. You could make it a nature theme. You could make it a yoga theme, a spiritual theme, everything. You could literally sell leggings to a whole lot of different niches. And if you're sitting there wondering how to branch out with Etsy, then this is how you do it. Marmalade plus Printify, and of course, graphic design skills. You got to be good at graphic design. And if you're not good at graphic design, or you don't have Photoshop, check out photop.com. It opens PSD files, so it opens Photoshop files. Or check out canva.com. That one doesn't let you do transparent backgrounds unless you pay for it. And then Ribbit is another one. This one doesn't let you do transparent background either, so I would stick to Photop. It's just like Photoshop, and you can make your own stuff. Don't steal people's designs. Make sure you know how to be kosher when it comes to copyright infringement and stuff. I'm not going to do a video on that right now, but the whole concept that I want to show you guys is that you can branch out with your Etsy shop if you have Marmalade and Printify. And just like that, I found a new product, bullet journal. I took an existing design that I already had on t-shirts and I knew was selling to the yoga niche, etc. Then I put it on a journal to a different niche. And I'll tell you how it goes. I guarantee it's going to work because I really did the research here. Here's what adventure journal. You never know. Look at the low competition for that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick snippet, you guys. You can always branch out doing this. You can find a new product on Printify, go check it in Marmalade, and then make a design that is specific to that niche. We as Etsy sellers, we start the other way around. We start as crafters, and then we go try to sell it to people. But this method, it's the opposite. You find a person to sell to, and then you find a product that they want to buy, and it's much, much easier this way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the links in the description below if you want to sign up for Marmalade or Printify, and please watch my next video. Peace, guys.